Is this photo real or AI generated? If you're not sure, you're not alone. Because Midjourney 6 is blurring the line between imagination and reality like never before. Welcome to AITHORITY, your guide to the AI tools transforming work and creativity. Today, we're looking at Midjourney 6, the long-awaited update to one of the most beloved and innovative AI image generation tools on the planet. Midjourney's earlier versions were already great, but version 6? It's next level. If you're a content creator, marketer, brand designer, or even just AI curious, this update changes the game. In this video, I'll show you exactly what's new, what it means, and how you can start using Midjourney 6 for stunning visuals right now. What is Midjourney for newcomers? First, a quick primer. Midjourney is a text-to-image generator that lets you create high-quality, stylized visuals using just written prompts. It started out as the artsy alternative to DALL-E, more aesthetic, more cinematic, but with less realism and technical control. That's now changed. Midjourney 6 brings realism, detail, and functionality up to par with the most advanced models in the space. What's new in Midjourney 6? Let's break down the biggest improvements. Text recognition, finally. Midjourney 6 can now understand and generate legible text in images. That means posters, t-shirt mock-ups, book covers, product labels. If you've tried AI art before, you know text used to look like alien scribbles. Not anymore. Sharper realism MJ6 rivals photography, especially in portraits, product mock-ups, and architectural renders. Skin tones, shadows, reflections, even glass and fabric textures are vastly improved. Real estate agents are using it to create photorealistic interior designs. Marketers are using it for ads that look like studio shots. Prompt control plus coherence. With version 6, you can write more detailed prompts with better results. It understands nuance better and produces less randomness, so you get exactly what you asked for. For example, a child in a red raincoat jumping over a puddle on a gray day, cinematic tone, captured at f1.4. Previously, that would have been a gamble. Now it's dialed in. In-painting, finally. Midjourney 6 now supports in-painting, editing part of an image instead of regenerating the whole thing. Want to change the background? Replace a logo? Remove a mistake? Now you can. This puts MJ6 closer to tools like Photoshop's generative fill, but with Midjourney's iconic quality. New web interface. Alpha. Midjourney has traditionally run inside Discord, which has been a blessing and a curse. Now, the web-based interface is coming with prompt history, drag-and-drop canvas, direct editing. It's still an alpha, but early testers say it's a major usability win. Real-world use cases for Midjourney. 6. Who's this for? Marketers, ad concepts, social media graphics, HB visual testing. Unique visuals without stock photo fees. Designers, concept boards, mock-ups, illustration-style branding. MJ6 also pairs well with tools like Canva, Figma, and Adobe Express. Business use, product renderings. Presentation visual storytelling for pitches. One startup founder used MJ6 to create their entire pitch deck visuals. No designer needed. Content creators, YouTube thumbnails, short-form video backgrounds, channel branding. And now, with in-painting and better text, creators can fine-tune their assets to fit their message perfectly. Limitations and what's still missing. Midjourney 6 is powerful, but not perfect. You still can't generate images from your own reference photos, no true image-to-image yet. It doesn't support real-time chat prompting like ChatGPT. You need a paid subscription, starting at $10-30 a month depending on plan. It's still mostly closed source and less transparent than open models like SDXL. Still. For people who care about results, MJ6 is the most refined and accessible AI image tool available today. Midjourney 6 isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap for visual creativity. If you're a creator, brand, or builder who needs stunning visuals fast, this is the tool to master. Hit subscribe to AITHORITY for more breakdowns on the latest AI tools changing the game. And let us know in the comments, what's the coolest thing you've created with Midjourney so far? Tomorrow, we're going head-to-head, Midjourney versus DALL-E. Which image model really wins in 2025? You won't want to miss it.